Older people are perhaps the greatest natural resource. They can and should contribute. And this is a mechanism by which employers and older job seekers can connect. We are at the JCA 50 Plus Employment Expo. It's an annual event, and we run one of these each year in Fairfax County and another in Montgomery County. The purpose of this event is to help older job seekers find the jobs they need and want, and there are thousands of these folks in the National Capital Region. There are more older adults in the U.S. today than ever before in the nation's history. These folks are healthier and living longer, living better than ever. They want to contribute just as they did at every other age and stage of life. Overwhelmingly, people attend the 50 Plus Employment Expo to meet employers. We help people learn how to interview, how to write a resume, how to network, and networking is key. It's a foreign concept to many folks who haven't looked for a job in decades. We also have resume review. We also have a computer center where we can help people apply for jobs online. And then there's some fun things as well. For example, AARP has a photo booth here. For free, they will take your picture, and you can then put that picture on your LinkedIn profile or other social media. JCA, or the Jewish Council for the Aging, is for people of all faiths and all walks of life. We run services that include adult day centers, transportation, information and referral, but perhaps core to our mission of helping all seniors thrive is employment. Because with a job, you can stay independent far longer, and you can support yourself just as you did at every other age and stage of life.